Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying what you have, a free Outlook. Com account limits storage, while Microsoft 365 increases it. Once done, check mailbox usage and OneDrive quota in settings so you know the gap to close. Next, install Outlook Desktop or enable IMAP/POP on the web client to allow local archiving and PSD exports. Doing this now sets the foundation for extending usable storage. Make sure your client config is completed before moving to consolidation and subscription options. Next, expand capacity. Upgrade to Microsoft 365 to get a larger mailbox and 1 TB OneDrive per user, which immediately reduces inbox pressure. Then configure Auto Archive or create rules that move messages older than a set date into a PSD or online archive. This frees server quota while preserving searchability. Also, detach large attachments and store them in OneDrive or SharePoint, replacing attachments with share links. Once these steps run regularly, your mailbox behaves as though. To finish, apply retention policies and backup PSD files to an external drive or another cloud location to avoid data loss. Then schedule monthly quota checks and tweak auto archive frequency so older mail moves automatically before you hit limits. If something goes wrong, like sync errors, rebuild the OSD file, clear the Outlook cache, and re-authenticate your account. These steps fix common issues quickly. If you still see limits, verify subscription status and contact Microsoft support as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.